Hello students, Namaste. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So students, today we are going to start our science class with reflex section. As you know that in the previous class we already discussed half of this chapter, that is nervous system. Okay. So today we are going to start with reflex section. So what is reflex section? A reflex section is an automatic response of our body to an event. It is controlled by spinal cord. Okay, and it is a quick action of our body. And for example, we would draw our hand on touching an hot object like a burning candle. So you may understand what is reflex action. Reflex action, I am repeating, reflex action is a automatic response of our body to an event. Okay, so now students, let's discuss about sense organ. We all know that we have 5 sense organ, that is eyes, ear, nose, skin and tongue. Okay, as you can see, sense organs are divided into 5 parts: eyes, ears, nose, skin and tongue. For all these organs, we can able to smell something, see something, hear something, or we can feel something or taste something. Okay, so let's discuss one by one. First, let's take eyes. Okay, so now students, eyes is an important part of our body, important sense organ of our body. Each eyeball is held in bony sockets. Okay, and they are organs of sight. That means eyes are the organs of sight. Okay, eyebrow, eyelashes, eyelids protect our eyes from dust, impurities, particles, strong lights and injury. Okay, the optic nerves connect the eyes to the brain. These nerves are called impulses. Okay, so our retina connected with our brain with the help of impulses, that is optic nerves. Okay, so next is ear. The next point is, the next sense organ is ear, right? Ear are the organs of hearing. Like they also help us to maintain our body balance. We can divide our ear into 3 parts, that is outer part, middle part and inner part. When we hear something, the outer ear helps us to catch and direct the sound into middle ear and inner ear. So ear is our organ of hearing something. Okay, so next is nose. Okay, nose is also an important sense organ. It helps us to smell something. Like a nose has nasal cavity, is present in our nose. Okay, it has sense hairs which produce nerve signal. Nerve signal travel to the brain and thus we are able to smell a particular smell. Okay, so this is nose. So eyes, ears and nose is finished, and last 2 sense organs are skin and tongue. Let's discuss about them. So skin, for the sense organ skin, we can able to feel something like pain, like hot object or cold object. Okay, skin is covered with tiny hair. These are sense organ. Okay, the tiny hairs are also protect our inner muscles or inner organs, right? So the last one is tongue. Tongue help us to taste things. The surface of the tongue has many taste buds. So in different region of tongue, it's identify different tastes like salty, spicy, sugary, bitter or sweet. Okay, so these 5 things, these 5 are our sense organs. Okay, let's recall them. we divide our sense organ in 5 parts: eyes, ears, nose, skin, and tongue. I hope you will learn what is the importance of these all sense organs. Okay. So now, how to care of all these sense organs? As you all know that now these are very important for our body. Okay. So we should take proper care of all these sense organs, right? So I'm going to tell you few points to take care of your sense organs. Like, we should not allow water to enter our ear. Okay, we should not study in dim light or in very bright light. We should not study lying on the bed. Okay, we should protect our eyes from dust and dirt particles. We should clean our eyes regularly with clean water, right? We should keep our nose clean. We should clean our all sense organ while taking bath. Okay, so this is few points of how you can protect your sense organs. Okay, so what we learned today, we learned about reflex action. What is reflex action? We learned about different types of sense organ. We learned how to care of them. Okay, so these all things are from your discussion part of nervous system. Okay, so after this video I will give you all the exercise questions. You have 7 exercise questions, some fill in the blanks, true, false, and matching. I will give all the answers of these questions after this video as a PDF form. Okay, and I will give you some 1 marks question from this chapter. Okay, after this video I will send all these questions. I hope you will understood all the discussion part from this chapter, and in the next class we will start our next chapter that you have in your October month's exam, that is our houses, right? So till then, I hope enough this is enough for today's class, and till then I will see you in the next class, and take care and thank you.